Today I'm going to show you how to use Print Then Cut feature on here, Cricut Design Space Business Edition. So as you can see, I have my pretty little party's logo here already. I uploaded it myself from my computer and it's already a Print Then Cut file. So I'm going to show you how you can create any image here into a Print Then Cut, instead of cutting each piece individually. So let's go on to images here on the left. And since this is a business edition, let's create some stickers for our packages. So here on the search bar, I'm going to search Happy Mail. And this is a written and cut image. I'm gonna use this one here. It says Happy Mail inside. I'm gonna add that to my canvas. And let's get a couple more. So how about like something that says like thank you for your order. And of course you can just create them yourself too, but I don't want to make this video too long. So let's see, we have this one, thank you for your order. Let's scroll down, see what else there is. And let's see, thank you for your order, you're awesome. Sure, let's do that one too. Add to canvas. So this is a cut file, so it's gonna cut every single letter. To create this into a sticker and to a print file, we're gonna create a background. I'm gonna use the offset, or you know what, let's do a shape. So let's go to shapes here on the left. I'm gonna choose a heart and I'm gonna send it to the back. So here on arrange, send to back, make it a little larger so that our lettering fits inside. And we're gonna grab both of these images and center it here on a line. Well, that doesn't look good, so let's make it a little higher. Okay, let's change that. It's already on black. Let's change the color on the heart to a pink, or whichever color you would want. Okay, and I want a white border around, so I'm gonna offset again. Or this is our first time offsetting, so our first time I'm gonna make it thinner. So I just clicked on that dot and now I'm using my arrow key, or you can slide it as well. And we're using the curved text, or you can also use the corner. I'm gonna use the curve and hit apply. Change the color to whichever color you want. I want a white border. Okay, so now we have as you can see 3 layers, 1, 2, and 3. I have them highlighted, so this is the step you would want to use. You go down here to the bottom right and click on this icon that says flatten. Now if you saw, it got all of those 3 layers and put them into one, and now it says print then cut. So now this is a printable image. It's not gonna cut the lettering, it's gonna just cut all the way around the heart after you print it. Let's change the size to 2 or 3. Let's see. 1.9. Okay, 3 inches is fine. That one as well. Okay, so let's move on to our thank you for your order image here. We're going to do the exact same thing. We can do just the offset and see how that looks. And you can just make it bigger and bigger. And if it doesn't look good, we can just use an image or a shape. So now that's not looking good. So let's go to shapes. Let's get this little box. Send it to the back. And I'm just going to center it here. Grab both of them. Now we can hit center and change the gray box into whichever color you would want. I like pink, so that's what I'm going to use. Now I'm going to create that border layer. I'm going to click apply and again change it to a white. So let's highlight everything. Again, we have 3 layers: the lettering, the square, the pink square, and the white square. So if you leave it like that, it's gonna again cut everything individually, but we want to create a sticker, a printable image. So we're going to click flatten, and it compressed everything into a printable image. Change that to a size 3 as well. That's quite a bit of a big of a sticker. You can make it however big or small you would want. And I'm going to change this logo into 1.5. So if you have a circle image, if your logo is a circle as well, you can create as much as 20 stickers per printable page if you make it 1.5 inches. So I'm going to leave it like that so you can see. You can save your file and just call it packaging stickers. Save. Okay, let's load it. Let's make it so I can show you the next steps. Okay, so I'm going to send it to my printer so I can show you what settings I use. You have to choose your correct printer here. I'm going to use my OfficeJet Pro. And since we have a white border, we don't need the add bleed. But let's say you have a sticker that only has the color no white border, you're going to want to hit the add bleed button so that there is no white showing around your sticker or whichever print and cut design you're doing. But for mine, I'm going to keep it off. I'm going to use System Dialog to play around with the settings and get the best quality color for my print then cut. So hit that one and then click print. This is going to pop up another window. This window will be from your printer, so yours might look different. I'm going to click my OfficeJet Pro printer here, and then I'm going to go to preferences. we get another window here from your printer, and I'm gonna change my paper type. I like to use HP matte presentation paper for let's say I'm gonna print something on like a 65-pound weight cardstock. This is what I choose. But for the stickers that I'm using today, I'm going to use other matte inject papers. And then this is where you choose how many sheets you want. I'm just going to do one. And then you want print quality, you want the best. So this is going to give you the best color. And then you click OK. Once you're ready to print again, you'll hit this print button from your printer window and it will print for you. Okay, so here I have my printer sheet already printed, and I'm going to load it up to my Cricut machine. It's going to read or register all of the black line around, so you can cut each heart individually. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's grab a mat. I'm going to place it here on my mat, and then we're going to change the setting, the cut setting on the screen. So here on custom materials, I'm going to change that to a sticker sheet setting. So click on browse all and search sticker, and I'm going to use the printable sticker paper white. I'm going to open my machine here and load it up. I'm going to use the fast mode so it can cut it out a little faster than normal. And then click on your blinking icon on your machine. It's going to start to register the black lines. Okay, now that our machine is done cutting, let's click the unload button, and we can peel away the excess sticker sheet here. Just like that. And as you can see, that setting cut perfectly on my sticker sheet. So if you're using a different sticker sheet, you might have to play around with the settings, but for the one I'm using, that's what worked. And now we have our packaging stickers here. So if you like this video, please let me know in the comments. Hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to be for future videos. Thank you.